Hi, this is Natalie Potter. Hi Mike, hi Tim, hi Bob. We are very happy to have you for this event today. I am the liaison officer of the event and invited non-Russian ships to participate to the event.
Okay, thank you very much for this very well and thanks for that. First of all, we would like to congratulate all participants in this very safe and successful travel. And we're ready for the event. Unfortunately, we have very short time, but you have a lot of questions. We're ready to start up our event.
Okay, first I will leave the word to Paul Bishop, the director of the Tall Ships Atlantic Challenge. He will tell you who are the winners.
Yes, hello. Greetings from the Tall Ships Atlantic Challenge Team 2009. This is a terrific privilege. It is wonderful to be in Belfast at the conclusion of this magnificent international event. The winners in class order for this race from Halifax to Belfast, overall and in class B, is the Dutch vessel Tekla. First in class A is the Cisne Branco from Brazil, and first in class D is Rona 2 from the United Kingdom.
Okay, now I give the word to Ferry from Urania, the Netherlands, and here is the first question.
Good afternoon. For me as well, a great privilege to speak to you. My question is, on the Urania, we use fixed satellites to establish our position, which enable us to navigate. As you're higher up and moving faster, how do you navigate to make your observations? Do you use Intergia or a satellite navigation? Thank you.
That is a great question, and we actually use satellites also for our navigation. We have a suite of sensors that we use to tell our position as well. These track the sun, they track the Earth's horizon, they track stars actually, and we also get help from the ground with radar data. But unlike your ships, which are also perturbed a little bit by the forces of tide, currents, and wind, we are governed by the laws of ballistics and orbital mechanics. So the sensors we use are the same, but the influences are very different. Over.
Next question from Rona 2, United Kingdom.
Hi, I'd just like to say also it's a great privilege to speak to you. When we're sailing at night, we see many stars, and I'm just wondering what kind of stars you see up there.
Hi, this is Bob Pierce from Canada. We see just as many stars as you, perhaps more. We have the opportunity to orbit around the world, so we see the stars from the northern hemisphere as well as the southern hemisphere. I'm from the north, so it's a joy for me to see things such as the constellations, such as the Southern Cross. Stars appear similar in space as they do on Earth, with one exception: stars do not twinkle in space because there's no atmosphere between our eye and the star. There's no twinkling effect. Stars are a little bit brighter. Over.
Next question from Etoile, France.
Hello there. Many thanks for this opportunity. What we'd like to know is, for some of the ships in this race, they are permanent homes for some, as well as work. Do you regard the ISS as your home or a place of work?
Oh, okay, this is Gennady. First of all, I would like to say that this is the place of the group, not the home. Because our flight in space looks like a different level. First of all, it's interesting for you, but then you will get to meet your family and your friends, your beautiful planet. But I would like to say that our space flight or space stations will never become our home.
Question from the ship Europa, the Netherlands.
Good afternoon there, hi. This is a slightly less serious question. We were just wondering, how do you brush your teeth in space without bits going everywhere?
Because, of course, we need to do all the same hygiene items that you would do on the planet, so we do brush our teeth. Of course, we need to make modifications since we have little to no gravity here, so as a consequence, we end up taking our hygiene activities
activities in a similar manner, but for example, we might just have to swap